3.9 pounds, that's the dose. Vitals check, 20 inches tall, lightweight body, carries it all. 8.6 deep, 12.6 wide. Feels like travel medicine certified. MRI my packing goals. This thing's built strong, no travel holes. Durable fibers, travel-ready skin, adventure calling, let's check you in. Effortless organization, all-day comfort, zero complications. TSA-friendly, no exam delay, slides through security like a perfect X-ray. The bag's got all the right prescriptions for stress-free trips and smooth transitions. Patient cleared for takeoff. Tolaccea Backpack, instant satisfaction. If you're interested in this product, see the link in the description. And if you're looking for that discount, you'll find it there too. If you like this video, please give me a subscribe and a like.